Listen carefully to what I'm about to say. You say you want healing, but you're still holding on tightly to what hurt you. You ask for peace, but you won't let go of the bitterness. You cry for freedom, while embracing the very trauma that keeps you bound. So let me ask you with love, how can I heal what you refuse to release? You pray for restoration, but you keep feeding the memories that are weakening you. I see everything, not just what you say, but what you try to hide from even yourself. But the healing you're asking for starts with surrender. There is no complete miracle where the heart still clings to resentment. As it says in Psalm 147 verse 3, I heal the brokenhearted and bind up their wounds. But listen, your heart must be willing to break open. You must let go of what still bleeds, so I can stop the pain. I don't ignore what you've been through, but I can't heal what you won't let me touch. You think that if you let go, you'll forget. You believe forgiving means accepting what was done. But that's not what I ask of you. Letting go means trusting that I, your Father, am the only one who can bring justice without breaking your soul. Beloved child, you've been praying with faith, but you're still clinging to feelings that keep you far from the healing I've prepared for you. As long as you carry pain as a shield, your heart won't feel the lightness of my touch. So now, listen closely. I am the God who heals. But first, I need you to give me what's been making you sick inside. Yes, pray to me. I am here, ready to listen. Open your heart. Let this prayer be the moment you finally let go.
Father, after hearing your voice, I see how tightly I've held on to things that should have been in your hands long ago. I ask for healing, but I keep alive the feelings that wounded me. I want to start over, but I'm still tied to yesterday's pain. And today I admit, that too is disobedience. I no longer want to hide from your process with my excuses. I said I needed a miracle, but I wouldn't let go of resentment. I asked for relief, but kept feeding the memories that consumed me. Forgive me, Lord, for the contradiction that kept me stuck. I want to release it and trust that your touch is safer than my grip. As it says in Psalm 147 verse 3, the Lord heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. I want to be that broken heart, open, surrendered, because I can't keep asking for restoration while holding on to the very thing that blocks it. I know forgiveness isn't easy. I know letting go doesn't mean forgetting. But I also know that if I keep carrying this alone, my wound will never truly heal. So today, God, I let go. Not because it's easy, but because I trust you'll carry it with me. In Matthew 11 verse 28, it says, Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. So I come, Lord, with a soul tired from holding what only your love can undo. I come because I need your rest. A rest that doesn't depend on circumstances, but on the choice to give you everything. So many times I've said, God, heal my heart. But I was still clinging to what hurt me. today, I want to be different. Today, I choose to trust for real, to leave in your hands what I can't carry anymore. As it says in Psalm 34 verse 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. And if you are near, then I can rest. Because even in tears, even when I feel undone, I know I'm being held by you. So now I pray with honesty and surrender. God, help me let go of what's keeping me from being healed. Help me not to hold on to what's been breaking me. Help me believe that your love can restore even what I thought was too far gone. I hear you, Lord, and I surrender. Lord, I give you everything I've been trying to hide, everything that keeps me stuck in the past, everything I claimed I had overcome, but still hurts when I think about it. Take what no longer brings life and give me back what comes. From you, I give you the anger I masked as strength, the pain I used as a shield, and the silence I turned into walls. Today, I want to give you access to the places I've always tried to protect alone. As your word says in Psalm 55, verse 22, cast your cares on the Lord, and he will sustain you. So here are my cares, Lord. Here are the pieces I've been trying to hold together without strength. Let everything in me that doesn't reflect you fall away. In Jeremiah 30 verse 17, you promise, I will restore your health and heal your wounds. And that's the promise I rest on tonight. Not because I deserve it, but because you are good. I let go because I trust. Lord, I pray for everyone still trying to be healed, but carrying old wounds, hidden traumas, and unresolved pain. May your Spirit visit each heart that's tired of suffering in silence. Teach them, Father, that healing doesn't begin when life gets better. It begins when we finally let go. I intercede for those who were hurt by words, rejection, abuse, or abandonment. Those who pray for healing, but are afraid to trust again. Visit those deep places with your love, a love that doesn't force, but gently embraces. God, I praise you, because even when I held tight to what was hurting me, you never gave up on me. Thank you for loving me, even when I hid from healing. Thank you for treating me with kindness, even when I resisted. Today, my heart is filled with gratitude for every part of me your love has already begun to restore, and for knowing that step by step, you are healing me fully. Lord, I declare that today was the beginning of my healing, not because everything disappeared, but because I finally let go of what was blocking my restoration. And now, your love has room to move. Even if it takes time, I trust your process. I know you heal with truth, patience, and grace. And that's why I end this day with peace in my heart, knowing your hand is over every wound in me. Amen. Dear friend, maybe you've asked God for healing, but you still feel chained to what hurt you. Know this, God is not here to judge you. He's here to invite you to release, to trust, to let his love begin restoring you from the inside out. If this prayer spoke to your heart, write Amen in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who also needs to be healed. You're never alone here. We are a family of faith. May God bless you with rest, relief, and a healing that begins with surrender.